Hi friends, and welcome back to Vocala and Klanke, Vowels and Sounds, where we will be increasing your vocab by going into single vowels and double vowels. So now before we get into that, can we go over our vowels again? So in English, it's A, E, I, O, U. Awesome guys. And now in Afrikaans, that is A, E, U, I. Awesome guys, and let's just do a quick recap of the words we used with those vowels. So dit is kat met a, dit is hen min a, dit is vis min a, dit is bok min o, dit is rug min a. Awesome guys, so we're gonna go straight into it, into our single vowels and into our double vowels. So what we're gonna do first is I would like you guys to give me words with single vowels. So what are we gonna start with? Of course we're gonna start with A. So can you give me a word with a? Mat. Awesome. Right, let's go into our E. Can you give me one with E? Nes, which means nest. Awesome guys, we're getting there. Just stay with me. Can you give me one with O? Rock. Awesome guys. And last, can you give me one with a? Bus. Awesome. So, as you can see here, we're working on enkel klanke, which is single vowels, which means one vowel. So each of these words only have one vowel in them. Let's go over it. Mat, nes, rok, en bus. All of these only have one vowel, which means they are single vowels, which is enkel klanke. Awesome guys. So now we're going to move into something that is a little bit more complicated, but I'm going to walk you through it. So double klanke, double vowels. So next we're going to move into something that's a little bit more complicated, but I'm going to walk you through it. We're going into double klanke, which is double vowels. What do you think that means? So now instead of having our one vowel, we're gonna have two. And it'll be two of the same vowel. Okay? So let's get right into it. Can you give me a word in Afrikaans with two A's? That's right. Gas. Awesome guys, just stay with me. Let's move on to the next. Can you give me a word in Afrikaans with two E's? Fear. Awesome. As you can see, it's two vowels, but the same vowels. So our first one, this is cheese, gas, and our second one, fear, which is a feather. can you give me a word in Afrikaans with 2 O's? Roos, which is a rose. Great job, guys. Last but not least, can you give me a word in Afrikaans with 2 U's? That's right, vuur, which means fire. Now, what these doubles do is that they extend the sound of your first vowel. So the only way it changes the word is by making it seem longer. So you have mat and you have gas. Do you hear the difference in the two? So with one A, it's short, mat, and with 2, it becomes gas. Let's look at our second one. Vier, 1 E, that is nis, right? Very short, 1 vowel, single vowel. Now we have it here, 2. It becomes vier. Double E, 2 vowels, double vowel, double klanke. Awesome. We go on to here, we have rock. Very short because why? There is only 1 O. But the minute you put 2 O's, it extends the word and it becomes roos. Same thing with the U, that does bus, very short. And when we add an extra U to our word, that raak vier. So remember, the only thing that changes is the length of your word. When you add that extra vowel, it lengthens out the word and you drag that letter. Your R's, your E's, O, and E. Awesome, guys. So don't forget, single vowel, 1 vowel. Double vowel, 2 vowels, but the same vowels. Thank you so much for joining me on this lesson on Vocale Klanke. It was great having you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.